Market is the key, and the focus must be on the customer's needs. But sometimes there's a disturbing trend. The corporate giants are consuming the small, creating a monopoly, absorbing choices that leave you with few options. The large are not happy with choices, your choices. The future of securing your business begins now by choosing the right partner. It takes an alliance that's as committed to your success as you are, one who shares your ideology, a partner who works with you, like an orchestra composing a symphony, like a team that wins. Following the needs of our customers, it's that focus that has helped us grow to where we are today. A choice over the corporate giants. By being eco-friendly and using recycled and the most sustainable materials on the market, we're the right partner and the greenest in what we do. Nicos International, the best alternative.